I'm going to install this microwave drawer, and I figured out an amazing way. There's a shelf that goes here, and so I have these shelf pin holes, boom.
Okay.
But these are like an inch and an eighth or so apart, and the dimension's pretty specific. And you don't want this to sit like 2 inches low. You want as high as it can go to minimize that gap. So I got to be able to use these. Lo and behold, I put those in. I put the shelf in, and it's just a wee bit too small by maybe a 64th of an inch. And that's no good. So what are we going to do? Exactly. So
It shows
if you could,
if it's that little amount, are we even going to see it? I mean,
we got to do it perfectly, dude.
Okay.
I'm thinking, I'm like, oh my gosh, if I could just move this hole down an eighth of an inch just to be perfect. But I can't. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mark these shelf pin holes on the shelf as it sits in there. And I'm going to take a router, and I'm just going to have that router bit come down like, an eighth of an inch. And just right where that mark is, mink, mink. And the cool thing about that is I'm going to remove that material. So this shelf pin is going to be inlaid into the bottom of the shelf, which is also going to prevent the shelf from pulling forward. I mean, I'm going to put a little,
perfect.
Yeah, so it's going to actually, make it a fixed shelf, which I'm going to add like a little shelf bracket out there. So, if you really want to pull that turkey out, you can. Because these little screws up here, these little guys right here, that's the math. You always measure the box, but there's an added eighth of an inch on the top of these panhead screws. Cool thing about that is it'll be a consistent depth. Nailed it. Dude. Yeah, I mean, it worked fantastic.
Yay.
Yeah. So what I did,
Close up?
that's it.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
How cool.
So
Oh, I see what you
bam, bam,
did.
bam.
No kidding.
Just reduced it a little bit, and I just use my little router, my little Wii router, and since it'll be a consistent depth, right? I just lock it in at an eighth of an inch. I just go buzz, 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 buzz.
That's perfect.
I know, dude. I'm like, what's going on here? Honestly, if we were playing basketball, you'd be like, I can't believe how stupid you are. You're horrible at this. You know what I mean? Josh, you get it, right? So they called for 14 and 13/16 on the instructions for the opening right here. And that's exactly what we ended up with. I get so lucky sometimes. So that's awesome. And this, all right, it looks like I have, with that cord, 23 inches. 23 inches. 23 inches. Dude, this is getting easier and easier by the second. Oh, so cool. So much fun. Call this the coffin carry. Let me go first. You follow me. Josh. Undo the cord.
Undo the cord.
Whoa, who taped this up?
That was me. That's what I did. I don't like cords that get in my way.
Well, hey, you're the one standing there holding it, so.
D to D. Good.
If you want, I'll get down below. Am I going to be in your way here?
No?
All right, slide her in.
Boy, he's a little bossy guy, isn't he?
Little bossy little guy.
Oh, I have a microwave. Oh, welcome.
Yahtzee.
If every appliance installation could go this smoothly, stay safe, stay busy, and stay tuned.